Hey guys, so today I am going to be sharing with you the new Wet n Wild highlights. As you guys know, the Gothographic Loose Highlight is one of my favorite highlights of all times. It is beautiful, and there are 4 new ones in this collection, so if you guys are curious to see swatches and what they look like on the face, then just keep watching. I don't know if there's a name for this collection, but there were these and then loose pigments, so there are 4 different shades. This is what they look like. So we have the shades All Glown Up, which is $3.99, which looks like the deepest one. We have Hustle and Glow, which is $3.98, which is like the third one. We have $3.97 You Glow Girl, which is definitely like a pink tone one. And we have $3.96 I'm So Lit, which looks very similar to the Gothographic one, so I'm actually going to go grab it and do a comparison so you guys can see next to each other, so I'll be right back. Okay, so here is Moon Tears from the Gothographic collection, and here is I'm So Lit from this collection. They still look pretty much identical to me, so we'll see when we get to the swatching if they truly are identical or not. Alright, so I'm going to open all these up, do arm swatches, and then I have 4 highlight brushes in front of me so we can try these on. Inside they have like just stars, like not a specific pattern like they had a skull for the Gothographic collection. These are just, you know, a random star pattern that the highlight comes out of, and they all have the peel sticker. So I'll be here probably 10 more minutes just getting these stickers off. You know how it is. I should mention though, as I was peeling off the protective sticker, the sifter is lifting out of the container. So be careful that when you're pulling the sticker off, this whole sifter doesn't just pop right out. You'd have a giant mess on your hands. Yep, this one lifted right out as well. Can you guys see this? The sifter lifted right out when I was peeling it. So they do not seem to be as securely made as the Gothographic one. They're a bit more cheaply made is what I'm noticing. Okay, now that they're all open, I'm going to start off with $3.96 I'm So Lit, which is this one that I think is a dupe for the Gothographic one, but we will find out. Looks like this inside. I'm just going to do finger swatches right now. Ooh. This is the first one. That is beautiful and bright, and definitely does not look as dark as it does in the pan. It looks almost tan in here. But on my hand, it's just this beautiful, bright champagne. Beautiful. Next, we have $3.97 You Glow Girl, which is the pink one. Here it is. Also doesn't look as deep as it does in the pan. It's a nice, like, icy pink, but not too icy. Next up is $3.98 Hustle and Glow. This looks very dark in the pan. Very bronzy. That's really pretty. Not so much for my skin tone, but if you have a deeper skin tone, this will look beautiful on you. I really should try these out on my daughter and my son. They love being in videos, so maybe when they're home from school, I will get them to swatch these on their beautiful skin. So this is what the colors look like on a deeper skin tone. We have $3.96, $3.97, $3.98, and $3.99. They're really beautiful. I think that these definitely would look amazing on deeper skin tones. And finally, we have $3.99 All Glown Up, which looks more like a pinky apricot one. Oh, not at all what I was expecting. Interesting. I thought I was going to be able to wear this one as well, but I don't think I will be able to until I have a tan. This one is more like I would say like a rosy gold with a bronze undertone. This one's a bronze with a gold undertone. This one is a pink with like a white undertone, and this one is champagne with just a hint of yellow gold. Just a hint. I think these would both look beautiful on fair to light skin. These two, probably medium to deep. But I think that I want to try this one as a blush today, and then I'll try these two as highlights. I don't have any blush on my face, and I went a little light on the bronzer. So I think I'm just going to take the largest brush that I have, this big fluffy one. This is the crown brush, and I'm going to go into $3.99 All Glown Up, this bottom one, and kind of dust some of that on my cheeks as like a blush. I may regret this. We will find out. Ooh. Okay. It's definitely like a brownish glow. Not necessarily loving it, but I feel like I need to even up both sides here. All right, for me, it's more like a brownish, shimmery blush. Not loving it so much, but it didn't ruin my makeup, so that's good because I have an appointment in like 20 minutes. Next, I'm going to go into the pink one on this side and see how that looks. I'm going to grab my SL Miss Glam L36 brush, and I'm going to dip into the pink. Doesn't really go with today's look, but I want to see what this looks like. Not as pink as I expected. It's looking more gold. Doesn't look as icy pink on the face as I thought that it would. Perhaps on the Cupid's bow it'll look different. There it looks a little bit more pink than it does on the cheeks. I think it might just be because it's on top of bronzer. So that's really pretty. Now let me dip into the first one up here, the I'm So Lit, on the other cheek, and I will switch to an AOA Studio brush. I'm just dipping into the lid. You really don't need much. Ooh, that is an icy glow. I like that. Okay, that is probably my favorite, followed by this one. Really nice. All right, now let me do the side-by-side comparison of the Gothographic and the I'm So Lit. Okay, so up here is the I'm So Lit, and then I will do the Gothographic next to it. All right, so here is Gothographic. I'm gonna put it above the I'm So Lit. Okay, so Gothographic is a bit smoother of a formula, but the colors are pretty much, I mean, you tell me, the colors look almost identical. This one might have just a touch more yellow to it than the Gothographic one, but if you've been looking for the Gothographic one and you can't get your hands on it, I think this is a very, very close dupe. So definitely pick up this one if you've been searching for Gothographic. I don't think you'll be disappointed. Okay, I am glowing. I like the end result. My favorite is still the Gothographic Moon Tears because of how smooth the formula is, but the 396 I'm So Lit is definitely a close second, followed by the 397 You Glow Girl, the pinkish one. And then these two deeper shades, while they are beautiful, I think they're too deep for my skin tone right now, so perhaps when I have a bit of a tan, I will try them again. I hope you found this video helpful of these swatches of the new Megaglo loose highlighting powders from Wet n Wild. If you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and as always, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.